Hi, Karishma, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How's you?
I'm good too, thank you. So, can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So I'm Karishma Yadav. I'm basically from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, and about my educational qualification. So I have done my BE from Electronics and Communication. After that, I have a 1 years of experience in the IT recruitment as a IT recruitment consultant with Sourcewell. And yeah, I have learned some training. I have done some training and internship in the software testing because I have developed my knowledge in the field of software testing. So I have a strong understanding of manual testing and the basic of automation testing and how to develop and which type of a process is involved in the development of a software or application like SDLC process and documents like BRD party documents, test plan, test cases. So I have a good knowledge of about this.
Okay, great. So, you have knowledge of automation testing Java, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
And manual testing.
Okay, so let me start with the Java first. So, you need to tell the output of this Java program. What would be the output of this program? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Class helper, private and data and
Do you
private.
want me to increase the font size?
No, sir. Is it busy? Yeah, there is a four option: compilation error, five runtime error, and none
Hmm.
of these.
Yeah, so out of these four options, which one would be the correct option?
Sir, it will give the compilation error.
Any reason behind that?
So private, the class is private. So
Mhm.
in the data type is five, and yeah, sir, there is a different class
Mhm.
helper and a public class test. So it will. This is a private. If it is public, so it will not give error. But it's private class, so it will give error. The compilation error.
Right. So you are absolutely right. You are using some headphones.
No, sir.
Okay. So the answer will be compilation error because a private constructor cannot be used to initialize an object outside the class, right?
Yes, sir.
So because of that, it's an error.
Yeah, private is within the boundary or exit in the boundary itself.
Right. Now you need to tell me the output of this Java program. Are you aware about extends keyword?
Yes, yes. Extends keyword is used in inheritance. Yeah. So class first is a public first system of println. Class second extends first. Class third extends. So class main class third C. New third C. So the output it will gives B because in the main method uh, the third class, class third extend the property of a second class. So it will gives the output B.
So just the B will be
B and B extend second class extends first, so it will give A. So first B will print, then A will print.
and what about C?
Yeah. C will print at the end.
Hmm. And first B will get printed or A?
Uh, class second extends first. So B will print.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
See, the output of the program would be A, B, and C. Why so? Because you can see this class, the third C, we have created an object, right? So this will be coming at last. And first, as simple as that system.out.println we have, that is A. So the order would be remaining the same. This is just to confuse you, right? The output would be A, B, and C.
Okay.
So now, okay, what is the difference between char and varchar2 data type in SQL?
So char and varchar. So char will give you a fixed length of data types,
Mhm.
and varchar will give you a variable length. Suppose there is a 10 characters. So char will give you a fixed 10 digits, and varchar will give you a variable length like between first to 0 to 10. So it will give the variables or output in this range.
Mhm. What is the difference between primary key and unique constraints?
Primary key.
Mhm.
Primary key is can easily find out the records, uniquely identify the records, and it should not be not null or not empty.
Mhm.
And you second thing is that user constraint,
Yes, unique constraints.
unique constraint.
Mhm.
No, sir, I don't have it. I
Let,
think it be null
mm.
and be empty.
See, primary key cannot have null values. Yeah. Can you please put your mobile phone on silent?
Yes.
Yeah. So see, primary key cannot have null values, right? The unique constraints can have null values. Okay. Now there is only one primary key in a table, but there can be multiple unique constraints, right? So these are the two basic differences that you should know.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what is the difference between test case and test scenario?
Okay. So test case is a detailed documentation in which different in the test cases different artifacts is there like prerequisite, post-requisite, test data,
Mm,
and expected and actual results, and the status if we find, and comment if any. And the test scenario is a high-level documents in which we will write the possibility or the condition. With the help of this, we can write the detailed documents which can that can be known as a test cases.
mhm.
So this is the basic difference. The test case is a step-by-step procedure which we have to follow, and with the help of this, if there is someone who can easily perform the testing and find out the bugs, or find out the perform the testing with the help of a test cases,
Mhm.
like because it is a detailed document, so everything we will mention, like which module we are performing the testing, and which test data we have to test, and the condition, and the step by step procedure is involved, and prerequisites like internet browsers which we are using, so that thing will also mention in this, and the expected and actual results and the status. So this is a detailed.
Mhm. Okay, now let me share my screen. See, this is a scenario-based question. Okay, now you
Yes.
have a build A, in that you have a feature A, which you have tested on Friday, that was working fine, right? Now you received build B on Monday. Okay, and you had to test feature C, right? But you found that feature A is also not working. So what kind of issue is this? Can you categorize this kind of testing?
Yes, regression testing,
Mm-hmm.
because
Regression testing.
regression testing we will perform. Yes, because on Monday, feature A is working fine,
Mm-hmm.
and the new feature C, is added in that. So the previous functionality is not working fine. That means if a new feature is added, I think there is any bug or issues. That's why the previous functionality is not working. So
Mm-hmm.
we will retest the application. We will give it to the developer again. Developer will fix it. Then we will perform the testing again.
Okay. Now, in this case, feature C is also not working, feature A is also not working, right? Then what will be your priority? What will be your next step?
So feature A and feature C both are not working.
Mm-hmm.
That means there is definitely a high priority severity issues with that. So we will perform the retesting. We will fix that issues and give it to the developers, and we will check again that uh, uh, we will check again that there is any bug or issues which that is missed by our developer. So we will give them a screenshot that this is not working, because they can say that when I am when I have developed, this is working, but if you are testing, so you are this is not working. That means some kind of environmental error is also there, because you are testing on the different environment, so that issue can be generated. So we will give to the developer, and if it is fixed, then we will perform the retestings and regression testing both.
Right, right. So the first thing is the priority will be high, right? And the next
Yes.
thing is you will be providing the artifacts, the screenshots, the test results to the dev team so that they can provide you the fix. This is called regression testing. Okay. Once you get the fix, then you will do a high level of smoke testing in the build in which you will receive, and then you will
Yeah,
start with
new
the.
bill is released. We will check that the bill is stable or not. So we will perform the smoke testing, and we will check the basic functionality or main functionality, or the workflow is working properly or not. If it is not done, so we can give it back to the developer, because if the new build is not working properly, so we cannot go with the further testing. So smoke testing is, yeah.
Right. Okay. Now there is a feature that you have to perform testing. In that feature, what's happening is I give you a high level flow of what are the different things that are involved in that particular feature and what's happening from start to the bottom. Okay. So there is an Amazon this coupon that you have to use. Okay, and upload an image. You have to upload a selfie of yourself as a part of that offer, right? You have to claim that offer, and the final, this after claiming that offer, you will have one PDF document. Okay, and in that PDF document, whatever code would be there, that you have to use in your at the time of billing. Okay, and the final payment would be done, you would be getting that offer redeemed. Okay, so it's a kind of a redeem offer functionality. Okay, in which you have to use some particular coupon, upload an image of yourself, claim that offer, PDF document code, use it in your billing. Okay, and finally do the payment. So can you tell me high level test scenarios, how will you test this particular feature? Positive,
Okay.
negative test scenarios both.
Yeah. So the high level test scenarios will be first, we will check the coupon amount, like the exact coupon, verify the coupon amount, that at the actual exact price after they are giving with the discount is showing properly or not. We will check that thing, and then uh, uh, we will check that the high level. Sorry, we will check that the yeah, we will check with the test cases designing techniques like uh, uh, we will perform here is a decision table testing technique, and that we will check with the different conditions, and in the different condition what will be the output. In that case, we will verify these things in the coupon code,
So what kind
and
of in decision table test, you will have different scenarios, right? You'll have different combinations.
yes, different combination, like in the coupon, how much discount is they are giving, and the coupon is applicable only for one product or other similar product.
Mhm.
So we will check with that conditions, only one products or two products, and success results or error message, if that is application applicable only for one product, so it should display the proper message properly, and if it is applicable, buy one get one or any other offer is there, so uh, the discount is properly showing or not, and uploading an image, so in that case we will perform the user acceptance testings. So the high level test scenarios related to the images, like image, verify that the image is visible, clearly visible or not, and yeah, and it is showing properly or not, and it is verify the image font size and color and the alignment. Yeah, and then we will claim that offer. So uh, yeah, if we are claiming that offers, and verify the PDF document, so after claiming that offers, uh, we using your, yeah, so in bill, verify that after claiming the offer, it will reflected in your billing amount, or it will in your payment bill process, or sorry, in the PDF format, so it will reflect properly. Yes, so that will be a
Okay, so these are the scenarios that are coming to your mind. Now, apart from those scenarios, before starting to write the test scenarios, you can also have some analysis on the requirement side, right? For example, upload
yes.
an image. but what is the maximum size of the image that we can upload? What are the different file types that we support? Sometimes we support PNG, BMP. Do we support GIF kind of images? Do we support zip images uploaded together in a zip folder? All those things, right? So what is the file format of the images that we have to upload?
Yes,
Next
yes,
is,
yes.
what is the clarity required? Maybe uh, for example, 100 by 200 pixels, 200 by 400, something like that, right? So requirements need to be clear, right? Amazon
Yes,
coupon, let's
according
say.
to the requirements, we will inspect the HTML elements. We will go to the browsers and go to the developers tool, inspect the elements, and we will check the font size, colors, or font families according to as per the requirements or not. So
Okay,
we will check that thing.
right.
Yes.
So that is also a good part from the testing that you can do, but you can also get these requirements from the business analyst or project managers once you get this requirement for grooming stage, right? So that's how you
Yes.
can do. Now, coming to this Amazon coupon, let's say if you have some other coupon or coupon has expired. So those kind of cases you can incorporate in your negative level of testing, right? So
Yes. Yes.
one is happy path that you will be entering the coupon, that value, that coupon is still valid. So you will be able to use that offer. But what if that has expired? What if you are trying to use from some other particular user? What if you have used
Yeah.
it for one device, now you are trying to use on your other device? What if you have used
Yeah.
on PC and now it's pending from mobile? Yes, yes, please go ahead. You are telling something.
Yeah. Yeah, it is applicable for on new users or old users. Yeah, so we will check that thing also, because sometimes the discount is more discount is applicable only for first users login, first users or new users.
Right,
Um, so we will check that thing also.
correct. Now we can also see about this PDF document, right? In PDF document, what is the size of the PDF document? What is the limit of this document, right? Would this document be visible to all the users or only to that user who is going to claim that offer, right? And then payment thing, again, you can do payment via UPI, credit card, debit card, cash on delivery. All those options you have to test, right?
Yes.
So this is how you will test those scenarios. Okay, you are aware about Selenium automation, right? So how,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so how will you handle a scroll bar using Selenium?
Scroll bar using
Mm,
Selenium. So, sir, scroll bar using Seleniums,
mhm,
we will use some commands,
mhm.
uh,
So what command?
some locators,
Mhm.
Sankey. Yeah, we will scroll. We will inspect the scroll bar, uh, and with the locators like by ID or by XPath or by text, by name. So
So
we
those
will
are,
write.
yeah, so those are locators, right? That
Yes.
you will use them to locate some particular element, maybe by ID, by relative XPath, by CSS, right? But how will you handle, let's say, if you have to scroll on a web page? So how will you handle it via Selenium automation?
Mm. Sir, I cannot did that part.
Yeah, that's totally fine. So see, in Selenium, you can use JavaScript executor to scroll a web page both horizontally and vertically, right? So JavaScript executor does not have a method to scroll a web page, right? Both horizontally and vertically. So you can use the method that is scroll by and scroll to, right? In
Scroll by.
Selenium. Yeah, right. So that you can use. Okay. Now whenever you find some bug in automation, what will you do? Let's say you were running some automation script and you found a bug. So how will you, what is the next action item? What will you do?
We will recreate the bug first.
You will
We will,
reproduce the defect.
yeah, reproduce the bug, and we will take a screenshot or a videos, and we will report that bug to a bug tracking tools like Jira. We can report that bugs
Mhm.
so that our developer teams or the the test manager or test leads or the business analyst can see that bug, that yeah, this is a actually this is a bug or not. So with the help of this we can identify. So I will log that defects in the tracking tools, and we can check the status also, like this is open, assigned, or close, or in progress, with the help of the tools like Jira.
Okay, okay, great. Right. Okay, Karishma, thank you so much for coming today. I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, so what will be the feedback, and
Mm,
which topic I can
mm.
uh,
So,
practice more?
right. So I think from manual testing point of view, you can practice scenario-based questions. Like we just gave you the scenario and you were asked to write test scenarios. So test scenarios, whenever this question comes to you, you have to cover positive, negative, functional, non-functional, everything, right? So try to uh, prepare for those kind of questions. Next is the output of Java programs you are able to tell. Then, yeah, the Selenium automation, scroll bar kind of thing. So definitely these kind of questions would be asked to you, right, in your
Yes,
interview.
okay.
So be prepared, right? How you can handle a scroll bar, or how you can handle a certificate kind of a window, or what will you do in case of desktop based automation? What are the challenges in Selenium? So these kind of Selenium based questions you will get. And from manual testing point of view, I think you are fine, right? Not to worry. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay. Karishma,